name's Dawn Shannon, owner of Intuition Salon and Spa. We're going to take our next section. We're going to do another one of the High Lift Blonde. When I pull out this piece, you can see that there's already some highlights in here. I'm going to skip those pieces so that we don't damage the hair. And if I do get one, I'm going to be very careful not to put color on it. It's really important when you're coloring people's hair that you protect the health of the hair. Pulling the foil as tight as you can up at the regrowth. Pull down the hair. Now some people, if they have a hard time having the foil stay, you can put conditioner in between the foils, which helps them stick better. Also, you want to be aware of the hair in the client's face. So be aware of client comfort while doing this. The next one we're going to do is with the High Lift Blonde. I'm going to take a wider parting just to create a multi-dimensional effect. Pulling it tight at the roots, lightly applying it so it doesn't bleed out the foils. And right here. We're continuing to use the decolorizer. Now I'm taking a wider section, so I'm going to be really careful to get this up at the base without making it bleed.